In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tasks in ClickUp. Whether you're a seasoned ClickUp user or just getting started, understanding how to efficiently merge tasks can help you better manage your workload and keep your projects organized. So, let's dive in and explore this useful feature together. First, you'll want to navigate to your ClickUp workspace, specifically to the space where the tasks reside that you wish to merge. The space is essentially the broadest level of organization in ClickUp, often used to represent departments, teams, or large projects. It helps you keep everything neatly structured, so always ensure you're in the correct space before moving on to your tasks. Once you're in the right space, the next step is to click on the list that contains the tasks you need to merge. Lists in ClickUp are like folders, organizing tasks into manageable groups, and they typically live inside projects. By clicking on the list, you gain a focused view of only the relevant tasks, making it easier to proceed with the merging process without distraction. Now, you'll need to identify the task you want to merge with another. To the right of the task name, you should see three small dots, often referred to as the ellipsis menu or more options. Clicking on these dots will bring up a variety of actions you can perform on that task. This menu is crucial as it houses the merging function, among many other useful tools. With the menu open, look for and click on the option labeled Merge. This action sets the stage for combining tasks, which is particularly handy when you've got multiple tasks that essentially track the same piece of work or need to bring everything under a single task header for clarity and efficiency. Now, you need to locate the Browse Tasks button and click on it. Clicking this will allow you to search for and select the other task you want to merge with your primary task. This step keeps you in control, making sure you're merging precisely what you need into the selected task. Once you've found the task you want to merge into the original, go ahead and select it. This choice is where the actual merging begins, integrating two sets of task details into one cohesive task entry. It's a great way to reduce clutter and make sure all related information is centralized. Finally, after selecting the appropriate task, look for an option labeled Add Selected CFs, which stands for Custom Fields. Click on this to complete the merge. Custom fields in ClickUp are customizable bits of data that you can use to add more detail or context to your tasks. By adding these during the merge, you ensure that nothing gets lost in translation and that your merge task retains all necessary details. And there you have it. You've successfully merged tasks in ClickUp, streamlining your project management and keeping your workflow efficient.